welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja and today we are doing another wig review, and today's video is sponsored by Love Me Hair. And sisters, this wig is perfect for fall and winter. It is a bang highlighted wig. So when I tell you it's perfect, it's perfect. So we are gonna fix it up because it's a human hair wig. So I'm actually really excited about it. So I'm like, bring it, y'all, like, come on. I will leave the hair description down below on where you can get it, and I also have a promo code so you guys can use my promo code to get 20% off. This wig about to be banging, you hear me? So they actually send you a whole bunch of stuff. They also give you like a silk scarf. It also has like their logo on it. They give you bobby pins, tweezers, lashes, a wig cap. They basically give you everything, okay? So yeah, oh guys, they even gave me a little pin, okay? They give you edge control brush, wig cap, elastic if you need it. So they honestly give you basically everything that you'll need. But for a bang wig, you really don't need that much. You're really just putting the wig on and calling it a day. So let's just get into the video, okay? I'm excited. So let's just put this wig on. Let's see what it looks like, what we're working with. So wig is on, and I'm low-key already in my zone, y'all. If your wig came like mine, you kind of want to separate the longer pieces of hair from the bangs, just so that you can really get it together. And then you kind of just want to manipulate the way that the bangs are to be fixed. That way you can really start to customize it, okay? And like for bang wigs, you don't really have to do that much. It's just a matter of getting all the bangs in the right places. Okay wig. So it has blonde at the bottom, so it's like an ombre, and then it also has highlights as well. Like in the bangs, it's a bunch of like blonde mixed in, which is super cute. And depending on how you put the wig on and how far you pull the wig down, that'll determine like how your wig lays over your eyes. Ooh, I feel like I should change clothes. Like the vibe is, it's like winter. I feel like I'm gonna change my shirt. All right, now that we're kind of matching the vibe now, I feel a lot better. My flat iron is going, and we are just going to customize this wig, okay? All of the details on this wig will be in my description, but when I tell you I'm actually kind of like obsessed with bang wigs, it's very scary. So I'm obsessed because if your eyebrows are messed up, guess who gonna fix it? Your bang wig. It's flat ironing really well. It takes the heat very well. I already sprayed my hair with like heat protectant. That's very important. The heat is on 400. I don't put my flat irons on super high heat, but it is taking really well, and I'm doing like big parts when I shouldn't be, but it's because I'm trying to get through the video, of course. Just gonna keep flat ironing this wig and definitely show you guys like the pros and cons of the wig, if there are any cons. And then we can straighten our bangs together and really get them looking how we want them. So I am almost done. I'm just doing like the last like final touches to the rest of the hair, and then we can do our bangs together. The hair was easy to manipulate. When it comes to the bangs, you want to make sure, I'm honestly going to pull some of this stuff back so that I can really get into some of the hair. I'm going to pull some of it back. When you're doing your bangs, you want to do them in pieces when it's a human hair wig, because you want to make sure that everything is nice and flat ironed. I'm going to manipulate them. I'm going to go to the root and then just kind of fan it out. It's already coming out super, super cute, like as you can see. I just want to get the, I just want to get it as straight as I can right now and then kind of like manipulate it as I go. Don't burn yourself. Ooh, yes. Just as long as I get it together. Ooh, it just feels so good. Oh, yes, honey. I wish it wasn't as fluffy, but I mean, not fluffy. I wish it wasn't as thick, if that makes sense. I like a skinny bang. So now that our hair is done, I'm just gonna kind of fix it up a smidge. Here is the wig all nice and fixed up, okay? I'm obsessed. Obsessed is the word. It flat irons so well. The color is bomb. Like, just everything combined together. The bang, the color, the feel. It's a hit. And it's perfect for winter. So I think I'm just like, I'm in a mood. Like, I feel like a new girl. Say I wanted to go short, it will all be brown. Like, if I wanted to, it would be like a super blunt cut. Fire. That would be fire. And honestly, they have other wigs that are also great. So quality wise, I feel like Love Me Hair is a good option. And like, you can like fan it out so that it's not all in like one spot. So it can be kind of like all on one side. You can kind of bring it in. Get you a bang wig. I told y'all everything y'all needed to know about this wig. And just like my opinion on it, I'm a fan of bang wigs, and this was a really great bang wig. So I'm literally just obsessed over the color. So I'm just like, yes, like, ooh, with a nice like teddy coat, this turtleneck, some jeans, some boots. This hair is a look. Like, I don't understand why people don't like bangs, but like bangs low-key be smacking, like smacking. So I also have a promo code, so you can get this wig, you can get any wig that you want, any bundles, and you can use my promo code. Oh, yup, I got a promo code, and it is Hooja20. It's actually the spelling of my real name, which is so cool. I'm like, oh, I feel official. But yeah, so you guys can buy any hair you want, any wig you want, and you get 20% off using my promo code. I'm really excited about that. I don't know about y'all, but I look cute. And say I wanted to change the color of the blonde, I could honestly just watercolor it at the bottom. So I'm just like, sis, I just wanted to look, I wanted to see what the blonde was gonna do, like how it was gonna make me feel, and I feel like a bad bee. A bad bee. I'm just telling the truth. Like, it is a vibe. It's so soft, like, oh, it is bomb. And it was so easy to manipulate the bangs. Really, all it took was for me to separate the bangs from the longer pieces, and that was about it. Like, that was maybe the hardest part of this, was just separating like the bang from like the longer pieces of hair. So honestly, it's a hit. Hit the bell button to receive any post notifications. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. I'm gonna be back with more videos.